Hello everybody, and welcome back to another quick little tutorial about isograph pens. And this video is specifically about the roaching isograph, and I had a quick and simple question I was asked about these pens, and that was if the barrels of these pens are interchangeable. Well, we're going to find out today, so let's go ahead and take the barrels off of these and switch them out and see if there's any difference at all in the pen. I've got the 0.18 here. There's the barrel, ink holder, nib holder, cap, nib inside. Same thing here, the 0.35 Rotring Isograph. So this is the cap from the 0.35, which is kind of worn down, and this is the cap from the 0.18. So we're going to switch them out, see if they fit, and I'm going to guess that they probably do. Yep, that one fits, and this one fits. And the reason they fit is because the only difference in size on these pens is the nib holder and the nib. That is the only part of these pens that is different in the size of them. So this is where the nib is. This is the nib holder. And everything else is going to be the same size in the pen. The reservoir, the barrel of the pen, and the cap, they all fit and are the same on all the pens. The only difference in the cap is going to be the numbers indicating the size of the pen that it goes to. Even though that has this number at the top of it, the cap for the pen, they're all going to fit on all the pens. That's just there to indicate it. So yes, the barrels do work on each other. They're interchangeable and they fit. So hopefully that answered your question, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions about these pens or anything else, and whenever I get to it, I'll get to it. And until then, give this video a like, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and check out the links below if you'd like to support this channel, to buy any art prints or anything else. Contact me for business inquiries and anything else. And comment below if you have any questions about these pens or anything else art related. And until then, thank you for watching, have a great day, and have fun doodling. And I will see you in the next video.